Understanding Screenshotting, a beginner's guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common and useful term in the digital age, screenshotting. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who uses technology regularly, understanding this term is incredibly helpful. Let's dive in. Screenshotting refers to the action of capturing what is currently displayed on the screen of a digital device, such as a smartphone, tablet, or computer. It's like taking a photograph of your screen. This function is used for various purposes, such as saving information, sharing a specific image from your screen with others, or documenting software bugs. Different devices have different methods for taking screenshots. On most Windows computers, pressing the PRTSCN print screen key captures the entire screen. On Mac computers, pressing Command plus Shift plus 3 does the same. For smartphones, the method varies but usually involves pressing the power and volume buttons simultaneously. Screenshots are incredibly versatile. They can be used for recording information, such as a receipt from an online purchase, sharing moments, like a high score in a video game, work-related tasks, for example, showing a colleague an error message on your computer. It's important to use screenshots responsibly. Avoid capturing sensitive information like personal data without permission. Also, be mindful of copyright laws when sharing screenshots of software, movies, or books. I hope this video helps you understand what screenshotting is and how it can be used in your daily digital life. Remember, it's a simple yet powerful tool, but it comes with responsibilities. Stay tuned for more English language learning content, and happy screenshotting!